are producing together with Amazon. And those who have seen Maria, oh yeah, see? Maria in the international world is show number 2 in the international world. It's being shown right now. But instead of showing the international show, which is in English, we took the script, mixed it with a bit of Swahili, and looked for local characters. So the Maria you see in Europe and America is not the Maria, but she comes from the one in America or in Europe or wherever else. In South America, the script is written in Mexico. We use Kibera to be our slam or their slam. So Maria is our girl, and everybody else who are acting in Maria. But it's the same name, even if you